What y'all doing? Honestly, I almost thought about retiring from yesterday. It's my moisturizer. And the reason I thought about because I don't think I'll ever be able to top that Barbie look ever again. And then I thought, it's not about topping it, okay? We just like makeup. But I almost retired. So today I actually have to film a couple ads, but I thought we would do an eye look. I'm gonna try to come back and do some more, but we shall see. But you know what? I'm loving these so much, but I'm trying to find, I just kissed Jean. I'm trying to find a bunch of different ways to use them. So let's see if we can use it as an eyeshadow. Very tiny amount. We're gonna diffuse it on a fluffy brush, an E29, the In a Rush brush. No eyeshadow base, I just wanna see what happens. Let's see if it'll set. Oof, I already love the color. Okay, so we could use even less than what I just used. I barely dipped in. I feel like I'm still gonna have enough over here. Nope, we need a little bit more. But do not worry, I'm here to show you. This is not chaos. We do not need to wipe that off. But we do know that we can use even less than what we thought. I'm gonna add some more. So what we're gonna do is, I just wiped off my brush on Stila, okay? Let's see if we can just buff it out. And we can. Perfect. Because remember, we're still going to put a little bit of foundation or concealer here, so don't worry about bringing it there. Oh, this is pretty. I'm going to add a little bit more over here. There we go. That's going to be plenty. And remember, we can do these small little buffing motions because we don't have any kind of primer on that we're disturbing. And we're wanting to move this around quickly, and we're really wanting to coat the lid. So we can just, I'm still holding it very far back. That means we're gonna have a lot lighter pressure, but we can do some buffing motions because we're really wanting to move this around. Think of this as a foundation on the eye. We're starting that foundation. I like where this is going. And by the way, it's setting. I knew it would. Liquid bronzers, they usually work really well on the eyes. I know this looks absolutely horrifying. Please, we are not done. Really enjoying these, the Rare Beauty eyeshadow sticks. Let's take this and we'll put this all over our lid. Now you're gonna notice I'm gonna do one eye at a time with these. And the reason why is because these set really quickly. Now you're gonna notice those tapping motions again because I really wanna keep this pretty contained and I just wanna lightly blend these edges. So swirling and buffing is not gonna be what we wanna do. When we wanna keep things really under control, the tapping and the pressing comes in. Oh, this is so pretty and it was so easy. And I'm also gonna tag the brush because this is the In a Rush brush. It's the, just throw it together, but obviously beautiful results. That looks so pretty and it was so easy. Oh, I forgot to tag it. Here's what happens. I've been doing makeup for many moons now. And I still get so excited that I forget to label things. I literally get butterflies. I do this every single day, multiple times a day, and I have for years. And I will just see a shadow stick, I will put it on, and I will lose my mind. Makeup is so much fun to me. Let's put a little bit of integrity just in the center, just to brighten it up a little bit. Yep, perfect. We won't even need to blend that. Look at how pretty this blend looks up close. It was so easy. Okay. You're justifying, almost, no, I'm not gonna say it's justifying its price, but at least we're making it work. I love these Stila Gel Liners. I love them. I'm using the brown one. I believe it's called Damsel. So I'm just gonna go in on my lash line. This one's a dark brown. And what I'm doing is I'm just creating a little bit of lift by filling this in. I'm gonna grab my E27 before it sets. Because gel liners like this, oh, my last post, they wake up and they choose setting. That's what they wanna do, and they wanna do it quickly. So work one eye at a time and work quickly. You don't have to panic. It's not like, I will say have your tools ready and pretty close to you, and just do one eye at a time. It's not panic, but we do need to work quicker than what we would with just powder eyeshadows. Oh, it's spicy. Do you see how adding just that little bit of liner at an angle, let me kind of push that up a little bit more. It just adds so much lift to the eye without being a wing, even without using too much eyeshadow and it becoming very smoky. Just that little bit. And it really helps if you draw a line on your lash line, okay, very close, draw it there. And then relax your eyes, and then all the rest, just kind of angle them upwards. I'm going lash line towards, obviously not to the tail, but just think of it as lifting towards that tail of the brow. Now I don't want to connect the liner, but I do want to add a little depth. So I'm going to come from underneath here. And if you have sensitive eyes, all you have to do is just kind of look away from it, and it really does help. Get pretty close to your mirror. I have my mirror here, but I'm going to show you here. Just get pretty close and then just lightly wiggle it in here. You can look down, you can look to the side. It's actually a lot easier, and we don't really need to see what we're doing. So if you can't see perfectly, it's not that big of a deal. But I'm just kind of filling this in because I am going to add a lash. And showing you that long was for educational purposes. It's always best to just get in here, look away, and be done. But I'm just kind of showing you different ways to look and a few tips. So I'm doing this lash. I feel like it looks so perfect with the look. But these are my Rochelle Beauty Moonlight. These are my absolute favorite lashes. If I'm putting on a lash and I just throwing it on, these really quickly. I don't have a code. I bought these myself. They did send me some way later, but I have bought so many from Rochelle's brand. But the lash band, even if you've tried Ardell Demi Wispies, this lash band is 10 times more comfortable. It's just so much more comfortable. I can't even explain it. They're magical. I'm eating cherries, if you're wondering, where I was kind of chewing in the last one and I noticed. I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this up really quickly, and then I got to go film that video. There's a couple things I want to film. I'm not sure if I'm going to be back. I hate doing that to y'all, but we did some pretty cool stuff. Anyways, I'm eating cherries, and they always remind me of The Land Before Time. Do y'all remember when they're fighting over the cherry? I thought it was the cutest thing ever when I was growing up. So I have my foundation here. I mixed it with a little bit of the same bronzing drops. I'm talking tiny amount. It's just a little too light for me because I want to use this. One of my favorite foundations of all time. So affordable. So we're going to take that. We're taking it on that same E29. All we had to do was wipe it off. Taking it through here. Cleaning this up. Now remember, it might just look a little darker, but I'm matching here. Remember, I'm always matching here. My face is always going to be a lot lighter because I exfoliate and I use retinol. So now let's take it here. Look at that difference. Isn't that fun? I'm going to wipe this on Stila. Stila's my makeup towel. And then I'm just going to use the side to kind of blend and tap that out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take a little bit here as well. Seamless. Okay, I want to show you something about the brushes. This is going to be all the fibers, but we were kind of just talking about how we were able to go from our eyeshadow to foundation. So this is really cool. I actually filmed this and I did it with black eyeshadow, but I'm too afraid to post it. I just feel like it's too showy. I'll hype myself up. But I feel like y'all are my family. Here on my story in particular, we're just a family. So, okay, so we have that. Again, I don't want you to think I wiped it or was doing anything. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna throw that on. I'm gonna wipe my brush now on Stila. Okay, this is not microfiber, it's just a towel. It's a super nice towel, but I just want you to know it's not anything. It's not wet, Lord have mercy. Okay, now look. All of them are like that. Oh, okay, so you wanted me to use black eyeshadow? This is a fun experiment, okay? Black eyeshadow. We love it. We'll just put it over here, same place. Got it? I mean, you can already see that the product just goes where you place it. Dang it, Sheila ran out. Okay, here's Sheila. Okay, same thing. Okay, ready? And then the video I filmed, it's on a perfect foundation. Right now I don't even have foundation on, but my makeup is perfectly set and it's cool. The fibers are just special. They're special fibers that just don't absorb. They pick up makeup, they put it where you want it. I wanted it there. I didn't want it here. Okay, I'm gonna go film some fun stuff. I'm really excited. I found another really cool, very affordable contour and bronzer palette I wanna film with. I've just got some good stuff. I love y'all so much. Thanks for putting up with me. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back. Maybe we'll just put on some lipstick together. But if not, I'm definitely posting tonight and I want you to know I love you so much.